In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in Canva. If you're creating a seamless background, a snappy social post, or a repeating promo, loop-ready templates are the fastest way to get professional results without fiddling with complex timelines. Start by heading to Canva's templates page. You can open Canva in your browser and go straight to the templates section. This is your library of ready-made designs, including motion graphics that are already structured to loop cleanly. If you're already inside a design, jump back to the home page so you can see the full templates hub. On the left side of the screen, click Templates. This opens categories and gives you access to search. It's the easiest path to find loop-friendly designs that match the format you need. Think Instagram posts, stories, presentations, or widescreen videos. Click on the search bar at the top. This search scans Canva's template library, not your personal projects, so the results will be curated designs rather than raw media clips. Type loop video into the search bar. This phrase will surface templates built with repeating motion in mind. Things like animated backgrounds, clip-style sequences, and graphics that transition back to their starting position smoothly. Press enter, then take a moment to browse. You'll see different sizes and styles. If you're aiming for a specific platform, check the format labels under each thumbnail. When possible, preview a design by hovering to see the animation. Pay attention to how the end returns to the beginning. A good loop won't have a jarring jump or pause. You can also note whether a template is free or requires a pro plan before you commit. Scroll down to explore more loop video templates. The deeper you go, the more variations you'll find. Minimal designs, bold typography, gradients, and motion graphics suited for backgrounds or foreground features. Consider the duration too. Shorter loops tend to feel smoother when repeated, especially for subtle backgrounds. When you spot a sample loop video you like, click it to open the detailed preview. Here, you'll get a clearer sense of timing, color, and layout. Finally, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor so you can swap text, colors, and images while keeping the loop-ready animation intact. Replace any placeholder video or graphics with your own content and try to match lengths so the loop remains seamless. Use the built-in preview to watch it repeat and make small timing tweaks until it feels continuous. That's all you need to start creating clean, looping videos in Canva.